Hey everyone! Today I am so excited to share my favorite gourmet dish. It is quick and easy to make, and the result is a truly delicious and satisfying meal. By the way, if you are my subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Bori, and welcome to my channel. If you would like to support me, please subscribe, and thank you. Let me show you how to make it. The ingredient for this recipe, you will need 2 green onions. Cut them into half-inch sections. 2 large tomatoes. Cut them into bite pieces. You can adjust these ingredients to your liking. Five eggs. You will need to mix them thoroughly. Add some salt for the taste. Make sure that the yolks and the whites are thoroughly mixed. Some tomato paste, or you can substitute with ketchup if you prefer. For this tomato paste, I'm using the organic tomato powder and mixed with water because it's natural and healthy. Last ingredient that you need is cornstarch and water mixture. You just need 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 2 teaspoons water. Now that all the ingredients are prepared, we can begin cooking. You will need to warm up the pan on medium-high heat. Add oil. I am using pork lard rather than vegetable oil. Pork lard is a natural healthy fat that significantly enhances a dish flavor. You can substitute this with olive oil, avocado oil, or other oils that you like. Now that the pan is ready, add tomato. Well, before tomato, add green onion. Reduce the heat at this point. Then add tomato. The next ingredient you can add is the tomato paste. Just add about 1 teaspoon. It can be adjusted later if needed. Slowly stir fry. Add some salt in it, about half a teaspoon. Add some water. Okay, now looks like the tomato is ready. Add cornstarch and water mixture to thickening the sauce. Slowly add it into the pan and at the same time stirring it to make sure that the sauce is not over thickening. Looks perfect. I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer it to the bowl. Add oil. Then pour the next egg. Lower the heat. Then start stirring. Now that the egg is ready, pour tomato. Give it a quick mix. And turn off the heat. There you have it. Scrambled eggs with tomato. Quick, easy, and delicious meal. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss the next upload. See you in the next video.